Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website, and I am Muhammad Irfanullah. So today I will discuss about Chinese government scholarship, Nanching University. So student says that please make a video on this, so that's why I'm making video on this. So type cscguideofficial.com here, click on cscguideofficial.com first link, so you can see here and click on CSC scholarship admission. My English is not good, but I make this video for those students who don't understand Urdu. So if I say anything wrong, or my English is not strong, so that's why you can manage it. Okay, click on the when you click on CSC scholarship admission, you can click on Nanching University. After clicking on this, you can see the detail of the Nanching University Chinese Government Scholarship 2020. So a lot of students say that please make a video on Nanching University. So that's why I'm making on this. So click on the authority is Chinese Government Scholarship, and the university name is Nanching University Bachelor. This scholarship is for bachelor, master, and PhD students. So this university must select them. Select bachelor student, masters, and PhD students as well. So scholarship type is fully funded scholarship, 2500 RMB for master, bachelor 3000 RMB for master, and 3500 RMB for PhD. Online apply and send documents to the university. So deadline is March to May. I'll search a lot, but I can't find the exact deadline of this university because they don't update on website still. So I advise you you must apply in the first week of March, because maybe this university close the admission at the end of March. So you can apply in the first week of March. No, you cannot apply yet and send your documents yet, because still Chinese government don't decide that, never decide that you can apply or not, and they don't decide yet. They offer scholarship to new students. So that's why I'm telling. So eligibility criteria for students: all international students can apply. Age limit for bachelor is 18 to 25, for master 35, and PhD 40 years. So how to apply for these students? A lot of students says me, why if you don't speak English, then why you make videos? So I make videos just for those students who don't speak Urdu or Hindi. So that's why I'm making this. Otherwise I don't have any my personal will that I will make a video on this. So many students says that you cannot make video on this, so I will make video for those students. So they says so, and that's why I can do. So how to apply for the students scholarship? First, you fill CSC online application form. Second, you don't need to apply on university portal. You just apply on CSC portal. No application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July, and you don't send documents to this mailing address. Okay, this is the mailing address in which you send your documents. Click here to apply on CSC portal. How you fill the CSC application form, the video is here, link here, and you can watch this video if you don't have any idea about CSC scholarship update method 2020. So don't need to apply, no need to apply on university portal. Documents sent in duplicates, mean 2 sets of all documents. First you make all documents, prepared your all documents, and staple in a one set all these documents. This one make a this will make a one set, and in second steps all these prepared all these documents and staple it, and make a 2 sets, and put into a parcel and send it to the university. Okay, you can also send send your documents to this email address. Okay, when you fill the CSC form and prepared your all documents, then send to this email address as well, and after this you can send your documents to this address. Okay, now if you want to send your documents now to this email address, you can send, no problem. Okay, for more claims, watch videos in scholarship. Click here to watch in English. I will put the link in this. Click here link. Okay, now go to the official advertisement. What is the official advertisement of this university? This is the Chinese government scholarship announcement which they announced, and you can see the official announcement here. And this is for master and bachelor students as well. They must select bachelor student for in this university, so bachelor students can apply in this university. You can see the students for bachelor master students, Chinese yuan 700 per month. Okay, okay, this if your accommodation is not in the university, and off campus accommodation is they will provide, so they will give you 700 RMB for master, 1000 RMB for PhD. So this is the best thing I say, because when you live outside the campus, so you will manage your accommodation in 1500, so 200 RMB is your benefit, so you can get it. And this is the normal and common scholarship which the CSC give, and this is the additional. But if your accommodation is in the universities, then you can get this opportunity. Okay, this is the stipend which you get. You cannot get this, so it's optional. It's not a big deal. So all this scholarship here, and you can see here application online for international students to enter the system and print a hard copy of a completed application form for Chinese government scholarship. Make sure you type the agency number, and these when you logging in for online application system, send the documents. Okay, where is they can write here. So no, this is not. Came to the next. Click on Chinese government scholarship here. When you click on Chinese government scholarship here, you can see send the application documents to Nanching University directly by email, or submit your documents. Means you send only documents to this email. But I request you, and my advice is that you must send your documents through by post. Okay, because in they said that you send your documents in duplicate, and duplicate is only way to send your documents by post, not in hard in soft form. So you can mail your documents as well, but must send your documents by post. So these are the things which I tell you, and you can see here deadline where to apply, and the deadline March to May. But I'll suggest you must apply in the first week of March. So this is the thing I do. So now came to the Jiang provincial government scholarship. They announced this is a good opportunity category for international students for doctoral and master. Okay. They provide 25,000 Chinese yuan in a year, and there are 5 quotas in all. Means 5 students they select for this, and bachelor students also select for bachelor students from Jiang provincial government scholarship, and 5 quotas as well. Okay, and this is the first studying Chinese language for. And these are the eligibility criteria, and this is the documents procedure, and the deadline for this April to May every year, so you cannot apply yet. Okay, when you go to the university portal, online application portal, there is no Chinese government scholarship option, and there is no Jiangxi provincial government scholarship option. They just have self-sponsored option on Chinese government scholarship, on university portal. So that's why this university have just only CSC apply, not need to fill a university portal. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel, and come on our website and get everything which you want. Applying procedure, documents. If you face documentation problem, you can click on CSC list of documents for CSC scholarship and required document sample. You can click on required document sample. When you click here document sample, you can see the CV format. You can download the CV format, English proficiency certificate, recommendation letters, and first recommendation letter, second recommendation letters, and physical examination form, field physical examination form, and acceptance letter as well, format of acceptance letter, blank physical examination form. How to download this? So you can download blank physical examination form, and other scholarship also available for this. If you face any problem regarding your faculty link and applying procedures of CSC, you can click here and get your faculty link in one click. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and come on our website cscguideofficial.com. come and explore it. And 54th, I think 55 universities have started CSC scholarship admission. You can still Chinese government scholarship don't announce, and still Chinese government scholarship not announce any official notification about cancellation of Chinese government scholarship or other scholarship in China. So wait for the notification what this is and what is the criteria for this for new students. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video and like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel. Good luck and take care of